Here's a quick review on this AIRAJ PVC cutter or pipe cutter here. And I'll give you an example of cutting a PVC pipe. But first I bought like a 10-foot PVC pipe from Home Depot. And I cut them up in 2 feet each because I wanted to raise this table up. Instead of being like down here, now it's all the way up here. And just really quickly, the cut on here is perfect. We were using a saw before, and using a saw, it's going to make a mess and it never comes out perfectly even. This is perfectly even. So really quickly, this is the box that it comes in right here. And this is the one that I actually bought. I bought this one. I bought this one here, cuts up to 2 1/2 inch, but I could have got this one, I think, the 1 inch by 3/4, because this PVC is only 1 1/4 inch. Okay, anyway, I got the bigger one just in case, or if I want to use bigger PVC pipes. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link below. Okay, now let me show you guys how easy this is to cut. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up first, like this, and then this pops up right here, and you can see it has those. So let's do this. All right, let's just go ahead and cut like one area right here, and then we'll do another one right here. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab this. I'm just going to line this up with the blade to my marker here. It's going to go down until I get it perfect, right about there. And now I just keep going here. No mess, perfect. Okay, if you guys are using a saw, just get one of these. Okay, perfect. Let's do one more. So here's that other edge right here, and then I'm gonna pop this back open. I'm just gonna put this blade right where that red marker is. I'm gonna go in a little bit more, and then we're gonna go right in the middle, right there. Boom. And now I'm just gonna just keep cramping. Voila. And there you go. Nice and clean. Even this one here. There you go.